Hello, everyone. Good day again to every one of you. And this is Paul. Welcome again to the channel. This is the Daily Dose. And yeah, we have more news for today. Some updates from Hot Wheels, Mini GT, and a lot more. So I hope you enjoy this one. By the way, I'm sorry for not uploading. And I think the past 2 days, I was sick and my voice was really weak. So I decided not to upload. But anyways, yeah, glad I'm back here, and we'll check out the new Hot Wheels NFT Series 3 first. So here are the cars. The first one is this beautiful Pagani Zonda R, and this is awesome, part of the Hot Wheels showroom series from them. Then another Pagani Zonda R, and I think this colorway looks beautiful. Really, I'm a big fan of this, and yeah, kind of looks like the one that Tarmac Works released. So this is awesome. And then we have the 69 Copel Corvette, and I think this is like a metallic orange paint, and it looks amazing. I love this one. And yeah, I think Hot Wheels decided to stop the ID series cars and replace it with the NFT cars. Remember, the NFT series has also the physical copies if you have like the NFT copy also. So the paint job, the scheme overall kind of looks like the ID cars. But yeah, next up we have this beautiful 2017 Acura NSX, another beautiful one. All of the NFT series 3 cars are spectacular, by the way. And then we have another 2016 Cadillac ATS VR, the Hot Wheels Race Day series. Looks really good. I love the tampos on that one. And then of course the last one, I think the weakest one in the series, but still looks fantastic, the F1 Racer. That is gorgeous as well. So awesome cars, man. And what do you think of the Series 3 NFTs? And also, what do you think of the Hot Wheels NFT line? Leave a comment down below. Leave your thoughts. And new series of cars right now from Mini GT that are available for pre-orders. If you are from the Philippines, go check out Hobby Stock. And pre-order deadline for this will be July 1, and estimated time of arrival will be September of this year, and price range around 9 to 11 US dollars. Yeah, the first one right here, fantastic RUF Rodeo presentation. This is awesome, my favorite, to be honest, in this wave. And by the way, only available as a left-hand drive variant. And the next one, we have the Lancia Stratos from the 1977 Rally in Monte Carlo, and this is available also in left-hand drive version only. Price range for this around 11 US dollars. Yeah, the most expensive this wave. Then we have this Bentley Continental GT in candy red. This is really good. Yeah, I just love this. The paint color, man, is just gorgeous for this one. And then yeah, another Porsche. Check this one out. A Porsche 911 Turbo in Guards Red, only available as a left-hand drive version. Also really awesome. Again, yeah, loving the 2 red cars in this wave. And then yeah, the GR Supra. We have a Pandem Toyota GR Supra in pearl white, available as a left-hand and right-hand drive variant. Yeah, Mini GT has tons of Supras. And of course this one, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster in Griglo Telesto, available in left-hand drive variant. Again, one of Mini GT staples, the Lamborghinis. They have tons of them. Really fantastic new cars right now from Mini GT. And what do you think of this? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. New product update also from BM Creation, so go follow them on Instagram. That is bmc.style. They have fantastic stuff and really fun cars, and with tons of like features. So yeah, we have of course the brand new Toyota Corolla E70, which will be a July release, and check out the accessories right there. Of course, standard BM creation stuff with extra set of wheels. The aftermarket wheels makes the car sit lower, and of course it also has some more extra stuff like bumpers and all. Really fun products right here from Mini GT. This right here is available as a left hand and right hand drive variant. Just look at how gorgeous this Toyota Sprinter Trueno AE86 from Inno64 is. Just a fantastic looking car. This is a drift car, by the way, and man, yeah, the Sprinter Trueno AE86 from Inno64 is probably one of my favorite cars from them. It just looks amazing. Yeah, I love the Sprinter Trueno, the Civic FD from them. What else? They have tons. Yeah, the Sylvia and a lot more. The GTRs, man. Yeah, Inno64, they just make fantastic stuff. I just wish their cars have like better rolling wheels. And yeah, even though they have like non-rolling wheels, but I think it's meant for that since the cars are quite fragile, so they're meant to be like display pieces and all. But yeah, I just wish they had rolling wheels. And yeah, missed out on the Hot Wheels RLC Skyline R34. Here is one of your options if you don't want to pay premium price or like online sellers for the RLC R34. This is from Inno64. Really good looking Skyline. It doesn't have like opening features though, but the details are there, and better details than Hot Wheels, if I should ask. They're again quite fragile though, and yeah, but the details, man, the paint job and everything else is just superb on this. And such a shame, again, doesn't have rolling wheels and opening features and all, but yeah, this is fantastic. Will be out on June 22. Yeah. So yeah, it's out now, so check this one out. Really good looking R34. And what are your thoughts on this amazing S30Z wide spec from Kaido House Mini GT? Looks amazing to me, man. This is fantastic. I just love this one a lot. Yeah, there's something new for the Kaido House, not just the Datsun 510s. So I'm really happy with that, and yeah, this is fantastic. Can't wait to get my hands on this one. Yeah, so that's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoy this one. Give this video a like if you did. Also, please subscribe, and see you on the next episode. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. God bless everyone, and enjoy collecting. Bye bye.